What's up guys? Huawei didn't mince words during the Huawei Mate 30 Pro event a few days ago when it came to talking about the Android operating system the new phone will run. The company explained it can use any of the Google's application because of the ban. Huawei further announced that its own Google Play alternative will operate on these devices and revealed it's ready to invest some $1 billion to make that ecosystem a viable alternative to the Google's. That sounds great in theory, but in practice, any of the Mate 30 Pro buyer from the United States and the Europe want Google application pre-installed, particularly the Play Store, Google Maps, and the YouTube. Soon after the May 30 event, it was discovered that you only need 10 minutes to install all of the Google Android application you love and turn the May 30 Pro into flagship, but that avenue is no longer available to buyers as a security researcher figured out how the whole thing works, concluding that the workaround might also be a security issue. This morning, John, one of the Android's leading security researcher and the creator of the Magisk, released his preliminary research into how it's possible to install Google's suite of applications on the handset. According to the John, the currently widespread method to install Google services on newly released Huawei device relies on undocumented Huawei-specific MDM APIs. Although this backdoor requires user interaction to be enabled, the installer application, which is signed with a special certificate from Huawei, was granted privileges nowhere to be found on the standard Android system. It's important to note that the backdoor mentioned isn't the kind of backdoor you did expect, the kind that intelligence agencies would flag for its ability to spy on the user. Again from the John, this undocumented API is not the "oh my god, Huawei is spying on us, oh my god" kind of backdoor many media might wish to access. It is protected behind rigorous verification on Huawei's side and requires user interaction to allow the permissions to be granted. John explained that the Chinese application that lets you install Google application on the handset basically give this app system app status, and Google applications are system applications on a regular Android sold in markets where Google is allowed to do business. For some reason, Huawei has undocumented MDM APIs that allow application to install system application and install undetachable application. It is a well-known trick among Android enthusiasts to flash an application into system to unleash system privileges for some specific application. However, in this case, it is certainly not the same thing because A. The polar array is locked and the Android verified port is enforced. B. Huawei format their system/vendor/product partitions as EROFS, a read-only compressed file system. This means the system framework in Huawei's operating system has a backdoor that allows permitted application to flag some user application as system application despite the fact that it does not actually exist on any read-only partitions. John concludes that Huawei must have reviewed this LG Play application and explicitly allows its existence. Huawei told Bloomberg that it had no involvement with the LG Play application. Even so, the application is no longer available to download, which means you can't install Google application on the Huawei Mate 30 Pro using the workaround. And yeah guys, a Twitter user with the name of Damon Wild posted a video on his Twitter account. In this video, we can clearly see the Google Play is not working. He says in his tweet that, so as per Alex Dobby original tweet, failed CTS check is equal to no more Google Pay working, so I tested. But considering this was working less than 2 days ago, this is not good. Furthermore, after John's discovery, the Mate 30 Pro running Google application lost its safety net certification, which is one of the requirements to use Google Pay. Per 9 to 5 Google, you can't use Google Pay any longer on the Mate 30 phones, although it was possible to do so previously. So yeah, that's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and yes, smash the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more latest news. And as always, I will catch you tomorrow in the next one. Peace out.